Good morning, this is Morten from Inkish. Second day here at the fantastic Book Your Future event with Meccanotecnica in Bergamo. And actually, it's quite interesting. This morning we had the pleasure of starting in where everything is actually being produced. And we're talking to Fabio, who is managing the production. So Fabio, good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Buongiorno, right?
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. So, a lot of technique here, right?
Yeah.
How difficult is it to build a Meccanotecnica machine?
It's quite difficult because we have a lot of expert colleagues. And so if you have specialized people, you maybe that you have not problem in general. But okay, every day some difficult comes up, and we often work together with an equipe, a technological equipe, and so the solution is really simple to found. Okay.
Stefano said to me that you chose years ago to produce as much as possible in-house because then you have more control on the quality.
Yeah. In this plant, we work a lot of critical parts, and so not all the parts. But the critical parts are made here because we can check every part. Often, all the parts that we produce, not only a little part, all the parts. And for us is a big aid because during the assembly, if you have not a mistake on the parts, you can go faster. And all the colleagues that make assembly phases are in a simple condition to work. Is really a facility. Okay. So this plant also is used also for the critical parts and also for the urgent part, because R&D every day call a lot of parts, also simple parts, not critical, but today for tomorrow. And the supplier can't do it, okay? We have to do ourselves.
Is that also, let's say, if you need spare parts, then you can also make them yourself?
Yeah. Spare parts for after sales are, of course, important because for us is a big, an important target to satisfy the customer in 1 day, 2 days, and so you have to be able to do the parts. Okay. Yeah.
So Fabio, you've been here more than 20 years.
Yeah, 20 years.
when you look at the machines and how the Meccanotecnica products have developed over all these years, has it become more complex working with it, or?
The complex phase is the way to build the program for the machine. So we start from the CAM, we have a CAD-CAM system, and so is in that moment that you have to think the correct way to do the part.
So that means that if the CAD is correct, then it's not more difficult, basically.
Machines are really now easy to manage, but you have to think the correct and the good way to do the part. It is the difficult. So a lot of time, we spent a lot of time to think and to rebuild the program, and then we go to the machine only when we are sure to do the correct thing.
I guess that in your position, you also work very closely with the engineering part, right? Because when they invent a new machine like the Lyra or the Serio, suddenly you have to make something entirely new, right?
Every day.
Every day.
Every day. In these days, also for the morning, for the afternoon, I have 2-3 hours to do parts. always a stress, but we are here for that, so no problem.
How many people works in the manufacturing here?
In this plant, we are on 10.
10?
10, yeah.
It's amazing 10 people can do so many products,
Yeah,
right?
there are more machines than people, and is also another target to learn the people to manage more than one machine. Okay, is our power. Okay.
And after 20 years, is it still fun to go
Yeah,
to
it's
work?
fun.
Fantastic. Good talking to you.
Thanks.
Okay.